In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfectly grilled steak. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your steak out and allow it to get to room temperature. Once it's there, you'll begin patting your steak. Go ahead and make sure that it is dry. That way all the seasoning are going to stick on there and it's not going to slide off or anything like that. So you can go ahead and pat this for a few moments. Then once you've done that, you can begin putting on your seasoning. I'm using some salt here, also some pepper, and then I'll even use a little bit more of some seasoning here, some Kinders, which I like. But you can go ahead and put this on as liberally as you like. You can probably even put more than I put right here, but go ahead and spread that out and then kind of knead it in to make sure that you have plenty of seasoning. Then you want to go ahead and turn your grill up to about 500, whether 450 to 500-ish around there. And once it's warm, you can go ahead and lay your meat on the grill. I'm putting it right over the heat right here because I want those nice sear marks. Then about every 2 minutes or so, you'll go in and check it. Just go and flip it over. You can kind of turn it different angles and different ways like that as well. This way it'll get some of these sear marks just different ways. But you want to go ahead and make sure that every 2 minutes or so, you will flip this over. And again, you'll begin seeing all these sear marks on here, which is really nice. And again, it's going to give it some of that crust and a little bit of that taste you're going to enjoy. Then after you've done this about 2 to 3 times, and you've been cooking this now for about 8 minutes or so, you want to begin checking the temperature of your meat. And this is kind of where everyone does their own thing. You're going to take this off about 10 degrees from where you want it, so that way it will have some time to rest. So again, if you want it to be about 135, then you'll need to take it off at 125 so that it will rest and get to your desired temperature. But once you've decided it is time to take it off, you can go ahead and open it up and remove your steak from your grill. Do love that sear and nice crispy out layer. Then you're going to let it sit here for about 10 minutes, finish cooking, and once it has done that, it is time to open it up and enjoy your meat. And again, this is going to look a little different depending on what you wanted, but this is perfect for me. Highly recommend this easy way to grill a steak. One of the easiest ways to do it nice every single time. But I hope you enjoyed your time grilling. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.